braiding your gray hair. It had grown so long since I'd been gone, and the perfect girls by the pool, they would protest the cross around their necks, but our sons were overseas, and we all know about the hive and the honey bees. Almost home with an olive branch and a dove. You were beating on a Persian rug with your Bible and your wedding band, both hidden on the TV stand. When the cruel wind blew, every city farther fell off the county carousel, while the dogs were eating snow. All our sons had sunk in a trunk of Noah's clothes. Almost home, we got lost on our new street, while your grieving girls all died in the sleeps of the dogs all went unfed. A great dream of bones all piled on a bed, and the cops couldn't care when that crackhead built a boat and said, please, before I go, may our only honored bond be the kinship of the kids and the riot squad. How she knows that God made her